Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure Android Studio and the Git CLI are installed. Run Git version to confirm. Next, sign in to GitHub and create a personal access token with repo permissions so Android Studio can authenticate securely. Open your Android project, then enable version control and choose Git as the VCS. This links the project folder to Git. Once done, initialize a local repository if prompted, and make your first commit of existing code to capture the initial state. Now you add the GitHub repository as a remote. Use the IDE's Git remotes dialog or run git remote add origin, then paste the repository URL. Authenticate with the personal access token when prompted, and choose to store it in the IDE keychain for smooth future pushes. Create or check out a branch from the Branches menu to work on features. Once your changes are committed locally, push the branch to origin. Make sure to set up stream so future Git push commands are simpler. Finish by synchronizing frequently. Pull or pull rebase before you push so you merge remote changes cleanly. If you prefer stronger authentication, set up SSH keys and add the public key to your GitHub account, then switch the remote to the SSH URL. If a push fails, check the remote origin URL, verify your token has repo scope, and confirm Android Studio points to the correct Git executable. One key tip: when conflicts appear, resolve them in the IDE's merge editor, then commit and push again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.